So isn't temperature controlling our booth or our facility enough? Well, that's a common question we hear a lot from our customers. Well, when we talk about viscosity, we often talk about temperature because they are directly correlated. And sometimes it is okay to have your booth controlled or your facility controlled, and it's an advantage that most companies have. But that's not always the case. As the day changes, the temperature changes, and those changes in temperature, ultimately viscosity, can affect your dispense point or your dispense patterns or create changes in your process that ultimately look like another variable. Most manufacturing managers know that if you reduce the amount of variability in your process, you ultimately reduce the amount of quality defects and ultimately save some material costs. Depending on the swings of your environment, it may be a good idea to determine just how much these variabilities of temperature from day to day, season to season, are actually costing you.